Hey guys, this is the brand new S9 Plus with the new looks and bezels and a much better placement for the fingerprint scanner. This is actually the first of two tips and trick videos that I will be making, and in this one we will be talking about how to customize your S9 or S9 Plus. This will be much basic stuff, so if you already know all of these, then you can go ahead and check out the next more advanced tips and tricks video. But anyways, let's get started. To get started, you pinch on the screen and it'll bring this panel at the bottom. Let's start from the wallpapers. So you'll find it just like in most of the Android phones. It takes you to this page where you see your built-in wallpapers on the top, and then there is a bunch of the other wallpapers made by various developers, some of which you have to pay for. You simply select one, download, and apply it. Next is theme. Theme basically includes how the overall look, color combination, and app icons would appear in your phone. You can also select any, download, and apply it if you would like to do so. Just remember that some might need you to pay for it as well. Next is widgets. Those are certain functions of some apps that you have right on your home screen as a shortcut. For instance, you can use Google Maps widget to show you traffic around you or bus schedule, etc. right on your home screen. Next is the settings options. Once you click on it, it takes you to many other basic customization options. So let's go over them one by one. Home screen grid is basically going to tell you exactly how many apps are going to show up on your home screen. You can do it 5x5, 5.6, or whatever you like. After that, I'm just going to talk about the portrait mode option, which by default is always on. So you have to make sure that you turn it off in order to see this. Once you turn it off, you have to also turn on the screen rotation option. And now if you turn your phone horizontally, it'll change the entire layout of how your phone looks. That's all I have for this video. Stay tuned for more advanced tips and trick video. Link will be in the description or on screen when available. This is Shujat from TechJockeyHD, where we love all kinds of technology and hate none of them. Peace.